In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add checked bags in American Airlines. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can find the option to add checked bags inside of the American Airlines website during your checkout or when you open up the mobile app, as you can see on the website. If we hover over travel information and select bags from the top of the menu, we'll be able to see details about checked bags and paying for them online. As you can see, all you have to do is check up to 3 bags when you check in on aa.com or in the mobile app. So all you have to do is go through the process of checking in inside of the website. So buy your flight tickets, set it up on your account and credentials, and you will have the option to add bags on the end of the checkout. Alternatively, if you are doing this on a mobile app, all you have to do is open up the latest version of the app and use the Find Flight function I've highlighted over at the bottom menu. In there, input your credentials and you will be able to locate the details about your flight. In that page, when you do your check-in through the mobile app, you will be able to highlight your checked bags and pay for them accordingly. I hope I was able to help you on how to add checked bags on the American Airlines. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.